Good morning, YouTubers. This is Leo from EuroTek Tuning, coming in for next episode, episode number 3, where we're going to be opening and unboxing our next upgrade for the AMG C63 car build. This next upgrade is actually going to be the Wagner Tuning carbon fiber intake system, thanks to the guys over at Wagner Tuning. All right, so now we're going to start the unboxing of this intake system from Wagner Tuning. As you can see, they really took the time to package this, being an all carbon fiber intake. I think it's very important. They use this foam padding to protect it. Here's one of the filters, and it's an individual box. It looks like it's an oiled red K&N style filter. K&N, BMC, call it what you want. I don't know who makes this for Wagner, but it's clearly a quality product. And I'll be happy to share how it fits as well. This must be the second filter. Again, well oiled. I've got a Wagner Tuning part number there. This must be the instructions. So I got instructions with it. Step-by-step instructions with a breakdown for all of you do-it-yourselfers. This is a great option for you. And we got the hardware. Looking at hardware kit. We've got all new hose clamps, large and small. We've got some stainless steel hardware. I see some countersunk screws. I see some kind of ball seat piece there, and some billet adapters, and then of course looks like some pretty decent quality hose clamps. I've got some kind of a bracket we're going to learn about. Bandage tape, red Loctite, and some silicone hoses. So you got Wagner Tuning silicone hoses. These look like they're 3-ply. Which is fine when you talk about the fact that this isn't on the charged side. This is on the cold side. But they look like there was some pretty good quality. All silicone together. Here's one of the ducts. Obviously it's going to be carbon fiber, as they packaged it really well. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice weave, even on the inside. Beautiful. Yep, this is the other front duct, as you can see. Very nice, high quality carbon fiber. And this piece here is made of, looks like it's an ABS plastic. Injection molded, although I've got a seam there, but you can see it's got factory Wagner Tuning part number and their logo on it. Looks like it's very good quality. It doesn't feel chintzy. It feels very thick. Doesn't look like it's going to collapse with someone putting the wrong weight on it. Quite impressed with that. Same as this one. Very good quality. Obviously this is where the air box or the filter sits in. This must be the lower portion of it. Wow. See the inside weave? They have to obviously do some finishing away. Looks like they've got some riveting. Oh, that's for the Wagner Tuning logo. Zert fitting. Looks like for the breather, that's a billet. That's a billet breather adapter. Well done. Looks like they minted it with some kind of epoxy. But the exterior carbon fiber work is astounding. Wow, now this is impressive. So we've been doing performance on European cars for many years. Carbon fiber intakes is typically got to be careful with when you're tightening down the clamping. But look what Wagner did here to improve on that, to reduce the chance of cracking or fracture onto the carbon fiber when clamping, which is likely going to be a location of the silicone hose. They put this stainless steel ring here, and it's in there. So it must be epoxied. In fact, I could see a little bit of epoxy on the backside here. This is epoxied into place, and the gap is 0, right? The gap is perfect. This is very smart to eliminate the chance of someone over tightening the silicone hose and causing it to break. They inserted stainless steel bushings. This is good stuff. And our second top of the airbox. Again, billet bushings. Billet bushings. I thought they were stainless steel, but you could tell they're billet on the bottom side. They're machined. Billet bushings with machining. This is now this one here is also billet. So anodized billet there. They've got some kind of a zert fitting there. It's going to hold something in place. It is threaded. We're going to find out what it does here soon. And once again, they use a stainless steel ring here, and they molded it or epoxied it to the inside to prevent fracture and cracking when we tighten it down. So far, I'm thoroughly impressed, Wagner. They did a great job. I can't wait to see this on the car. Stay tuned while we go ahead and start the install on this car.
You can see in here how much less airflow there is because of the capacity. Compared to this just being wide open.
So as you can see, the filters are installed. Massive increase in airflow over the stock units. Here's the difference. Look how hollow the OEM, the original baffle is compared to just and the diameter. Look how much larger these are.
I mean, you're opening wide
and
up.
Length.
Bigger captivity there.
Yep.
For airflow.
Much bigger.
Very good quality.
Yeah, it's very good quality. This is the completed install of the Wagner Tuning carbon fiber intake system. This comes all the way from Germany. Amazing quality, well done work. As you can see, it's all weaved carbon fiber. They use stainless steel bushings with stainless steel countersunk screws to hold the top box on. If you look at the rest of the video, you'll see the size of the filters was quite large. Fitment is of course very tight, as I'm sure it is with other brands. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start this bad boy up and see if it sounds any different. And there we have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching this episode of YouTube, and we'll see you next time.